Hi guys, my name is Nolan, and I recently found a post on TikTok, and it was from this guy named Lewis, and he works at MSI Credit. And at first, I was skeptical, like anybody else. You don't know who you're talking to; it's always a stranger. I put a lot of faith in this guy. Got to talking to him. He's an awesome dude, and sure enough, it is a legit company. It is awesome. He is already taking care of my debt. He's already working on it within 24 hours of making contact with this guy. I have never met somebody that is so enthusiastic about their job. He is there for you to work for you guys. He is there to take care of you personally. And like anybody else, COVID hit a lot of people. COVID has affected a lot of people in the United States. A lot of people have got a lot of debt on their credit that shouldn't be there. A lot of people have struggled. He's here to help you guys. Don't be scared to reach out to him. Don't be scared to make that initial move. MSI Credit has already helped me out tremendously. They have already, they're pretty much changing my life right now to the point where I'm going to be able to do a lot more things. You know what they say, if you don't have credit, you don't have nothing in this world, and I firmly believe that. Everything's ran off of credit. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free. You can reach out to me, or you can reach out to Lewis. He will take care of you guys. Thank you very much.